Hey, Tech Hype Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to remove a watermark from an image in Canva. So Canva has a load of really smart tools, and one of them is the magic eraser that allows you to remove different parts of an image, including watermarks. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So in your Canva account, open up the image with the watermark in. When you have it open, you're going to click onto the image so you can see that it's selected. Then click edit. From here, you have a lot of different tools to use. You're going to click on the magic eraser, and this is where you can select the area on your photo that you want to erase. So I'm going to go over onto the photo, and you can see a circle is there. So using my mouse, I'm going to click down and I'm going to scrub out where that watermark is. Going to go along, highlight all the words with my mouse. Then I'm going to click on erase. Takes a few seconds and you can see the watermark is gone. Really simple. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.